Hey, Ben.
Ah!
I'm bored.
Well, what do you want to do about it?
Want to watch My Little Pony in Friendship is Magic with me?
You know what? I have a better idea.
Aww.
Wait. How did you change so quickly?
I'm Matt Cadis, the randomly awesome dude, and this is my mass combination. Oh my god, what did they do to you? Cameraman, are you getting this? I'm Matthew, the randomly awesome guy.
And I'm the MassCom Major Ben. Here on Deadliest Warriors, we are pitting against each other two competitors that have never fought against each other before. We are pitting against
Plant cells.
and
Animal cells.
Our representative for the plant cell is this little dummy here that we filled with a lot of plant cells. We didn't have too many, so it's a little short. And representing animal cells is My Little Pony. This here science book says that plant cells and animal cells have a lot of similarities.
Wikipedia says that they're different.
Well, they are different, but they have a lot of similarities. They both have nuclei which control their other organelles, cytoskeletons to complete their framework, the Golgi apparatus in order to sort, package, and secrete delivery to other organelles, and the ER to compartmentalize cytoplasm.
Well, they do have those similarities, but they differ in protection, energy creation, and waste regulation.
We're going to have to test these two different cells and put them under certain circumstances to see how well they perform.
Your clothes different. How? Why? Fast.
I don't know what you're talking about.
What we're attempting to test is to see if the chlorophyll can make energy from sunlight.
Both plants and animal cells have mitochondria, but because the plant cell has chloroplast, it's less dependent on them. So for this test, we're going to have the animal cell eat food and see if it gains more energy from it than the plant cell. Eat. Eat your food. Eat your food. Eat your food. So, the plant cell did still get as much energy from the mitochondria as the animal cell did. So, what are you going to give your advantage to?
The plant cell.
Well, Ben, I'm going to completely agree with you on that, but I'm going to have to give the advantage to the plant cell. This saran wrap represents the cell membrane around an animal cell. I'm going to punch it to see how well it protects the cell.
I never agreed to this.
Hi-ya! This wall will represent the cell wall around a plant cell. I'm going to punch it to see how well it protects the plant. Now, after analyzing the data, what do you think won in protection? The plant cell, which broke my fist, or the animal cell, which I punched through easily?
I believe it was the plant cell.
Yes.
Wait a second, where'd you get those sunglasses?
This is a battle between lysosomes and vacuole. Lysosomes are small organelles containing enzymes that break down old, non-functioning cell components.
And vacuoles are large organelles in plant cells that stores nutrients and waste products. It may occupy more than 50% of volume in the plant cells.
This was the third and final battle of lysosomes versus the vacuole. I'm going to say lysosomes win because 1, it is a fun word to say, and 2, because they didn't take up 50% of the cell.
Okay. Now that we have the X factors, we are going to plug them into our simulation so we can watch the plant and animal fight to the death.
plants won this battle because they had better defense, they had better energy units, and the animal cells waste disposal just wasn't good enough. So you could say it was crappy. No! And what happened to your shirt?
Oh, what? I can't do that too!
I'm Matt Cadis, and this was Two Brothers Are Bored, Deadliest Warrior Edition, and this is, oh my god, it happened again! Oh my god.
Go.
Well, they are similar, but they also have differences. No, I said that wrong. Plant cell or the animal cell? The plant cell. Yes! Okay, no, that's your reaction, that's not funny. Well, I don't know, it's just, no, and she's like, what do you do with that? Yes!